First recipe, rice cake. Ingredients: tuna, mozzarella cheese, cooked rice, mayonnaise, and tuna oil. Preparation: first, we separate the tuna from the oil. We don't discard the oil. We put the oil in the pan and we let it heat up. Once the oil is ready, we fry the rice that was left from lunch and was probably going to be thrown away. Then we place this rice on a bowl. We take 3 mini cake containers and we start placing the first layer of rice. Then we put a layer of mayonnaise, a layer of cheese, and a layer of tuna. We can be generous with this layer. Then we put another layer of rice and another layer of cheese. Second recipe, baked potato peel. Ingredients: white onion, potato peel, olive oil, dessert cheese. Preparation: first, you need to cut the onion into medium or little pieces, whatever you prefer or you like the most. Then you put the potato peels on the bake pan and you put the onion, the olive oil, and the cheese. You take it to the oven with the rice cakes. You put the oven on 220 degrees Celsius and you leave the peels there for half an hour. Clarification: the rice cakes only stay in the oven for about 7 minutes. Enjoy!